All right, this just got here in the mail today. I've been talking about these Kuhl Deceptr pants and this Wool&Prince t-shirt. This thing it just came in today and it's fantastic. This is an Oxford shirt. It's the 170 weight shirt from Wool&Prince, and it's just smooth and it's beautiful. And I tried it on, I was really happy with it, but a couple things I just want to mention to you. I noticed with this, I'm not a real clothing guy per se, but I just noticed that the craftsmanship on all the stitching and everything here is just beautiful. The way they bring all these pieces together, it's fantastic. So I got this shirt. Let me just pop it on. I'm about 5'9" and about, I don't even want to tell you, I should weigh about 165 pounds. Sometimes I get a little over that. But I actually had to order a couple different sizes of shirt. I ordered the slim medium first, and it was too big. And then I got a small slim, and it was too small. So I kind of did like Goldilocks and got that third one. This is the small normal fit. And for a guy my weight and stuff, I'm just an average build, kind of an average weight kind of a guy. This thing fits great. I love, it's actually really comfortable. I've been wearing it today at work. I'm wearing this guy underneath because I need to wear it for 100 days at least, and it's still kind of cool. But I'm really excited about having this shirt because now I'll be able to go outside and just have a little something that's protecting my arms without wearing a jacket or a sweater. And I've been wearing this this afternoon here at work. This just came this morning. You can tell I haven't washed it or ironed it or anything. It's still got all the creases from the factory. But I was just noticing just how nice all the stitching is everywhere. It fits good. It feels real smooth. And with the kind of quality that Wool&Prince has been making, I'm super excited about this. I think it's going to last me for a long time. And I'm gonna ride it pretty hard, so we'll see what happens.